Hi friends, welcome to KPV Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen very clearly up to pattern number 57. Okay, in today's video, we will write a pattern number. Okay, we are going to prepare pattern number 58. Let us see how we are going to write this pattern. So it is similar to the previous patterns what we have done. So coming to the lowercase alphabets, we have written the pattern number 56. Like first we are printing A in the first row. In the second row, so maybe AB, AB. Then in the third row, ABC, like that we have taken, right? In the same style, pattern number 58 is nothing but I want to print small a followed by small b, small c, small d, small e. Like that we have to print. In the next row, A, B, C, D. In the next row, A, B, C. In the next row, A, B. In the next row, A. Like that we need to prepare a pattern. So let us see how we can able to do this. Already we have this pattern, right? Which is going to print one star. Okay, which is going to print one value in the top. Like that already we have one pattern. Same program we are going to do a small modification. So here you can see just I am executing the previous program. So if you run the code, in the first row we have single a is there. In the second row we have a and b. In the third row we have a, b, c. In the fourth row a, b, c, d. In the fifth row a, b, c, d, e, like that. So same thing, instead of printing from top to bottom, we have to print from, starting from first row to fifth row, we have to print from fifth row to first row. That is our requirement, right? So which thing we need to do the modification? This value we have to take. Sir, don't start from 1, start from 6 until 0. 0 means 0 won't be included, that we know. So instead of +1, take -1. So in this case, what will happen? First, it is going to take the value of I is equal to 6, sixth row. Okay. So is it 5 or 6? I think 5, right? So you have to start from I is equal to 5. And next I minus 1 means 4. Next I minus 1 means 3. Next I minus 1 means 2. Next I minus 1 means 1. Like this, we are going to get 5 rows. Let us execute this program really whether we are getting or not. Let us have a look once. Sir, you can see our required output is also same, right? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. In the next row, A, B, C, D. In the next row, A, B, C. In the next row, A, B. In the next row, A. Like that, we have to prepare. This is nothing but a pattern what we have. Already we covered this program. The only modification is instead of starting from first row to fifth row, we have taken from fifth row to first row. Like that, we have done. Okay, I think it is clear for you friends. Thank you.